guys, it's Mike Koller. I want to share how to use Instant Content Pro. I have it saved in my desktop and unzipped and pinned there, so I'm just going to open it up and make it big. And so let's say we want to post an article on our blog about weight loss. That's a popular topic. Just type in that keyword weight loss and click the search button. And Instant Content Pro is going to go find articles that have the keyword weight loss in them, and it's just going to keep finding these different articles over here and populate them on the latest article column. And you can wait until you see one that you like, or grab one. I think fat loss, not weight loss. Let's try that article. Okay, so you select it by left clicking on the article that you want, and it'll put it over here in the input section. And then to spin it so that it's unique, all you have to do is come down to the bottom and click the generate button. And Instant Content Pro is going to spin you an article that you won't even be able to recognize the differences. It looks exactly the same on the left and to the right. But if you go to Copyscape, I don't have Copyscape account, so you're going to have a Copyscape account where you pay a little bit every time you use that service. You don't really need it, but if you do want to have the Copyscape, you just come over here to settings and you enter in your login information for your Copyscape account. Okay, so then you're going to right click on your output and copy it, and then you can just paste it to a notepad. And there's your article if you wanted to do anything to it. It's a unique article. Let me just try a couple different options here. You can also just change the stop words and click generate again. It'll just change those stop words. You can also output it as spin tags. Let's try that option. And now you can post this on many different websites and it'll change the article every single time. It appears that the word weight is repeated 4 times as 4 options to the word weight, but it's unique to Google, and that's the special thing about this software. Also has the option for HTML encoding if it's easier to upload it to your blog that way. Okay, let's go to the next option. You can also create video articles. Let's use our weight loss example again and click search. And it's going to search for videos and take those videos and convert them into article input. Okay, so this is article input on the topic of weight loss, and let's generate our unique content over here. And then we'll right click and copy it, save it to a notepad. And there's that article. And so it just makes it easier for you to create unique content. The other option the software has is to automatically post to your WordPress blog. And so what you would do is enter in your keyword again, and then you'll need your blog's URL and your WordPress admin name and password. But you can see you can schedule a post per day if you want to, or a couple posts per day, however you want to do it, and that allows you to create these articles in a snap and schedule them so that you're consistently posting fresh content to your blog on the topic of your blog. Okay, alright, hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. We're happy that you decided to be a part of the Instant Content family, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get with us and we'll help you through it.